How dare you? The cry echoed on into the cavernous hole I called my dwelling. It radiated from the walls. How dare you? Somehow I thought it would never come to this, my dark, twisted fantasy holding now a mere mockery of reality. How dare you? With every word, you screened my breath until every molecule of air held only the duplicate of terror that you yourself prescribed. How dare you? The system you created, the drones that you produced, sworn to their allegiance, the monsters hung the noose, their oaths given, their bodies sold to protect the ideology of the ones of old, the sacrifice we made once and for all the people who would never see the light of day, or so we were told. How dare you? The system is broken. The walls fall apart. The lessons you taught me unlearned from the start, told to wander, but never to roam, destined for failure, but never for home. How dare you? Did the system break us? Or did we break the system? When tragedy strikes, where is the hangman to carry our nooses, carry the blame, to take on the riots and bury the shame? We purchased the people, leased the land, ransomed the slavers, released our demands. How dare you? The government said we had stakes in this land, but to deliver our burials, we must turn over the sand. How dare you? The trench must be dug, the oil must flow, release the dead and dying and those ruptured below. How dare you? The landscape's old, reclaimed by the wild, or so we thought, until Uncle Sam smiled.